Okay, here's Coco's litter. Over at the far one with the purple collar, that is Thumper. The cream one right there is Jodi. Right over here is Bud. And the black and tan is Brian. And right here is Chase. All of them are up for adoption. Just give us a call, 435-201-7619. Where's Chase? Hi, Chase. Look it over here, Chase. Yeah. Take a little close up, Brian. Up here. Nope. You did the 3 triplets. Now, Thumper, the one at the far right, he's solid white so far. He doesn't look like he's turning cream. Look at them, look at them. I love them all. Oh! See how they start? That's called mouth wrestling.